Electricity. It powers our homes, our lives, our very world, but it's also a powerful force that demands respect. Here in Pueblo, Colorado, we know the value of hard work and self-reliance. Many of us enjoy tackling home improvement projects ourselves, but when it comes to electrical work, safety should always be our top priority. Even a small mistake can have serious consequences. This essay will arm you with the knowledge to work safely with electricity in your home. Remember, a little knowledge can go a long way in preventing shocks and electrical fires. Electrical work is not for the faint of heart. It requires careful attention to detail and a healthy dose of caution. But don't worry, this guide will walk you through the essential safety tips that every Pueblo homeowner should know. From turning off the power to understanding basic grounding principles, we've got you covered. So let's dive in and empower you to tackle those electrical projects with confidence and safety in mind. Before you even think about touching a wire or unscrewing an outlet cover, remember this: turn off the power. This simple act is your first and most important line of defense against electrical shock. Locate your electrical panel, often found in a utility room, basement, or garage. Inside, you'll find circuit breakers or fuses that control the flow of electricity to different areas of your home. Identify the correct circuit breaker or fuse for the area you'll be working on. It's always a good idea to label your breakers clearly to avoid confusion. Once you've located the correct breaker, switch it to the off position. Now here's where the double checking comes in. Never assume the power is off just because you flipped a switch. When it comes to electrical work, dressing for the occasion means donning the proper safety gear. Remember, we're aiming to prevent shocks and injuries. Your everyday clothes won't cut it. First and foremost, invest in a good pair of insulated gloves. These gloves are specially designed to protect your hands from electrical current. Make sure they are rated for the voltage you'll be working with. Next up, eye protection is crucial. Safety glasses or goggles will shield your eyes from flying sparks or debris. Don't forget about your feet either. Closed-toe shoes with rubber soles are essential for added insulation and protection against accidental contact with electricity. Just like any job, having the right tools is crucial for safe and effective electrical work. When dealing with electricity, insulated tools are your best friends. Look for tools with rubber or plastic handles that clearly indicate their insulation rating. These materials act as a barrier between you and the electrical current, reducing the risk of shock. From screwdrivers and pliers to wire strippers and voltage testers, always opt for the insulated versions. Remember, using damaged or worn-out tools can increase the risk of accidents. Inspect your tools regularly and replace any that show signs of wear and tear. Don't try to make do with makeshift tools or those not specifically designed for electrical work. Investing in the right tools is an investment in your safety. Ground rules. Understanding the importance of grounding. Grounding is a fundamental principle in electrical safety that's often misunderstood. In simple terms, grounding provides a safe path for electricity to flow to the earth in case of a fault or short circuit. This prevents the electrical current from passing through you and causing a potentially fatal shock. When installing outlets or switches, always ensure they are properly grounded. This means connecting the grounding wire, usually bare copper or green, to the grounding screw on the device, and to the grounding system of your electrical panel. Never remove or disable the grounding pin on a plug. It's there for your protection. Watts up. Choosing the right bulbs for your fixtures. You might be surprised to learn that using the wrong wattage light bulb can be a fire hazard. Each light fixture is designed to handle a specific maximum wattage. Using a bulb with a higher wattage than recommended can cause the fixture to overheat, potentially leading to melted wires, damaged sockets, or even a fire. Always check the label on your light fixture or the manufacturer's instructions to determine the maximum wattage bulb it can safely accommodate. If you're unsure, err on the side of caution and choose a lower wattage bulb. LED bulbs are a great option as they produce less heat than traditional incandescent bulbs while providing the same amount of light. GFCI protection. Keeping your home safe from shocks. Ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, are essential safety devices designed to protect you from electrical shocks in areas where water and electricity might mix, such as kitchens, bathrooms, laundry rooms, and outdoor spaces. GFCIs constantly monitor the flow of electricity through a circuit. If they detect even a tiny imbalance, indicating a potential ground fault, they trip the circuit, cutting off the flow of electricity in milliseconds. This rapid response can be the difference between a mild tingle and a deadly shock. You can identify GFCI outlets by the test and reset buttons on their face. It's crucial to test GFCIs monthly by pressing the test button. The outlet should trip, and you can then reset it using the reset button. When in doubt, call a pro knowing your limits. While this essay has covered some essential electrical safety tips, it's crucial to remember that DIY electrical work has its limits. Some tasks are best left to qualified and licensed electricians. If you're unsure about any aspect of an electrical project, don't hesitate to call in the pros. Attempting complex electrical work beyond your skill level can be dangerous and could lead to costly mistakes. Licensed electricians have the knowledge, experience, and specialized tools to handle a wide range of electrical installations, repairs, and upgrades safely and to code. They can also help you navigate local building codes and permit requirements, ensuring your electrical work is up to par. Stay safe, Pueblo. Electricity is an integral part of our lives, but it's essential to treat it with respect and caution. By following the electrical safety tips outlined in this guide, you can significantly reduce the risk of electrical shocks, fires, and other hazards in your Pueblo home. Remember, always turn off the power before working on any electrical components, use insulated tools and safety gear, and understand the importance of grounding. When in doubt, don't hesitate to consult a licensed electrician for assistance. By prioritizing safety and knowledge, you can confidently tackle those DIY electrical projects while keeping your home and loved ones protected. Stay safe, Pueblo.